Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Did you complete your homework? Did you complete your homework children? Okay, I hope you have completed. How is going your studies? How is going your studies? Okay, you all are studying well. Nice to meet you once again through this online class. Let's get back to our maths class. In the previous class, we have studied subtraction. Is that no ma? The previous class we have studied subtraction. What is the spelling for subtraction? Yes, subtraction. Subtraction. What is the spelling for subtraction? Yes, subtraction. Subtraction. What is the meaning for subtraction? What is the meaning for subtraction? Kalittal. Okay. How to subtract two given numbers. The Tamil meaning for subtraction is kalittal. Okay, Vama? In this class, we will study about 5-digit subtraction with regrouping. In this class, we will study about 5-digit subtraction. Fourth one heading, okay? Fourth one heading 5 digit digit subtraction subtraction 5-digit subtraction WITH with REGROUPING regrouping. Okay, Mama, in this class we will study about 5-digit subtraction with regrouping. 5-digit subtraction with regrouping. Okay, shall we see some example? $75,862. 75,862 subtract 32,648. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. Okay, Mama? What is this number? The first one. First we have to mark the periods. Okay, first we have to mark the periods. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. Okay. Now read this number. 1,000 you read it together. 100 you read it separate. Ones and tens you read it together. Okay, Mama? Now see here 75,862. 75,862. Then see the next one. 32,648. Okay, Mama, what is this number? 32,648. Now we have to subtract 32,648 from 75,862. Okay, Mama? First, subtract the ones column. First, subtract the ones column. All of you listen. Don't see here and there. Don't play. Listen carefully. Subtract the ones column. Okay, Mama? Now see the on number is 2. The under number is 8. Which is greater? 2 or 8? Which is greater? 8 is the greatest number. But the number is down. Yes or no, Ma? Yes, okay. Now we have to subtract 2 minus 8. It is possible? No. Because? Say the reason. 8 is greater than 2. Yes, Ma? 2 is 2 is a smallest number. 2 is a smallest number. Yes. We have 2 finger. How can you cut 8? How can you cut 8? It's not possible. Okay, Mama? So, see here. 2 and 8. Now, you take borrowing from the tens column. Now, you take borrowing from 1 to the tens column. Okay, Mama? You take borrowing means cut 6. Cut 6. What will come? 6 minus 1. We are taking 1 tens. Okay, Mama? So, what will come? 5. Okay, 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1, 5. 6 minus 1, 5. 6 minus 1, 5. Then you are giving 1 to the ones place means 1 tens is going to join the ones place. Okay, Mama? So 10 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. Okay, Mama? 10 ones plus 2 ones is equal to 12 ones. So you cut and write here this one. இங்க இருக்கிற 1 இங்க போய் என்ன பண்ணும்? Joined ஆகும். So this it will come 12. Okay, Mama, it will come 12. Okay, now 12 is a greater number comparing for 8. Okay, so 12 to 8. Now we have to subtract 8 from 12. Okay, Mama, so you say the number 8 after. You say the numbers 8 to 12. Okay, from 8 to 12. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers do we have? 4. Okay, so the answer is 4. So the answer is 4. Okay, Mama? 2, 8. Okay, 2 வந்து 8 விட சின்ன நம்பர். அதனால நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியாது? சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. Okay, Mama? அதனால நம்ம 10th பிளேஸ்ல இருந்து ஒரு நம்பரை என்ன பண்றோம்? கடன் வாங்குறோம். ஓகேவா? 6. You have 6 chocolate. 6 சாக்லேட்ல இருந்து பக்கத்துல இருக்கிறவங்க கிட்ட ஒரு சாக்லேட் கொடுத்துட்டேன்னா மீதி உங்ககிட்ட எவ்வளவு சாக்லேட் இருக்கும்? 5 சாக்லேட். அதை நீ அப்படியே ரைட் பண்ணிட்டு 2 இது கூட நம்ம வந்து 1 ஆட் பண்றோம். In front you should write 1. Then it is called 12. Okay, Mama? 2 கூட in frontல 1 ஆட் பண்ணும்போது இது it become 12. Okay, Mama? Now you have to add 12 minus 8. Now you have to subtract 12 minus 8. Okay, Mama? அதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? சின்ன நம்பர் 8 is a smallest number. Yes, 8 ஓட ஆஃப்டர் நம்பர்ல இருந்து 12 வரை கவுண்ட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 வரை தான் கவுண்ட் பண்ணணும். The odd number is 12. 8 to 12 வரை தான் கவுண்ட் பண்ணணும். Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Okay. Now see the next one. Subtract the tens column. All of you see the board. Now you subtract the tens column. 5 minus 4. Subtract the tens column. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. All of you take 5 finger. Then you cut 4. Now you have 1. Now you have 1. Yes or no, Ma? Okay, then see the next one. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. All of you take 8 fingers. Then you cut 6. Then we will get what will come? 2. Okay, Mama? All of you take all of you take 8 fingers. Okay, Mama? All of you first take 8 fingers. Then you subtract 8 minus 6. What is this symbol? This is called minus. This is subtraction symbol. Okay, Mama? This symbol is called minus. This is used for subtraction. Okay, Mama? Now 8. All of you take 8 fingers. Then you subtract 6. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining you have only 2. Yes? So you take and write the answer for 2 here. Then 5 minus 2. Is it possible? 5 minus 2. Is it possible? Yes. Okay. All of you take 5 fingers. Then you cut 2. Remaining you have 3. The answer is 3. The answer is 3. Okay, Mama? Then see the next one. 7 minus 3. 7 is greater than 3. Yes or no? 7 is greater than 3. Okay, Mama? So we can subtract 7 from 3. Okay? 7 minus 3. All of you take 7 finger, then you cut 3. We will get remaining. How many fingers do you have? Remaining how many fingers do you have? 4. Okay. 7 minus 3, 4. Now the answer is, say the answer, 43,214. Now the answer is 43,214. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Okay. Do you understand, children? Okay, shall we see another one example? Okay. Fifty-six thousand 431. 56,431. 27,554. First we have to mention the periods. Okay, Mama? First we have to mention the periods. You write here ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. Okay, now we have to subtract. First subtract the ones column. Subtract the ones column. Okay, Mama? See the odd number 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4. It is possible. It is possible? No. So you take borrowing from the tens column. You take borrowing from the tens column. Okay, Mama? Now you take borrowing means 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. Then 1. Okay. If you are adding 1 means it will become 11. Okay, Mama, 1, if you are adding in front of the number 1 means it is called 11. Okay, now you subtract 11 minus 4. Now we have to say the numbers 4 to 11. Okay, Mama, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now the answer is 7. Now the answer is 7. Okay, Mama, then you subtract the tens column. Then you subtract the tens column. Okay. 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5. It is possible? No. Okay. So you take borrowing to the hundreds column. You take borrowing from the hundreds column. Okay. Now you take borrowing from the hundreds means 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. Okay. You are getting 1 in front of the number means 12. Okay. Now you say 5 to 12 numbers. Okay, Mama? 5 ல இருந்து 12 வரை நம்பர்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணணும் கவுண்ட் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகே 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 12. Now you have how many fingers? 6. Okay, so the answer is 6. Then subtract the hundreds column. Subtract the hundreds column. Okay, Mama? 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5. Is it possible? 3 minus 5. How can you find? No. Okay. So you take borrowing to the thousands column. Okay. You cut and write here. 1000 means what will come? 5. Then you are adding 1 means it will come 13. Okay, Mama. Now you say 13 minus 5. Say the number. 13 minus 5. Now you have to say the numbers from 5 to 13. Okay, Mama. From 5 to 13. 5 after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes or no? Yes. Now you have how many fingers? 8 fingers. So the answer is 8. Then see the next one. 5,000 minus 7,000. 5 minus 7. Is it possible? No. Okay. So you take borrowing. 5 minus 4, 1, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. We are adding 1 to the thousands column. 15. Okay, the odd number is 15. The other number is 7. You have to say 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, 7 to 15 numbers only you said, okay? 8. Now the answer is 8. Now the answer is 8. Okay, Mama? Then see 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. It is possible? Yes, it is possible. Okay, 4 minus 2. It is very easy. The answer is 2. Now the answer is 28,867. Now the answer is what will come? 5 to 13. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes? Now 7. Okay, 28,877. 28,877. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Okay. Do you understand, children? Okay. Shall we see another one example? This is very easy. Okay, Mama? This is very easy. See here 1. 1 minus 4. I just explained in Tamil. Okay? 1 minus 4. 1 ல இருந்து 4 நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியாது? சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஓகேவாமா? ஸோ நீ என்ன பண்ற? டென்ஸ் பிளேஸ்ல இருந்து ஒரு நம்பரை கடன் வாங்குற. டென்ஸ் பிளேஸ்ல இருந்து ஒரு நம்பரை கடன் வாங்குற. ஓகே? இங்க இருந்து நீங்க கடன் வாங்கும்போது 3 ல இருந்து 1 கட் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா 2. எஸ் 3 மைனஸ் 1 2. ஓகேவாமா? ஸோ நீ கட் பண்ணிட்டு 2 மேல ரைட் பண்ணு. தென் 1 வந்து நம்ம இது கூட ஆட் பண்றோம். 1 கூட இன்னொரு 1 ஆட் பண்ணும்போது அது 11. ஓகே, நம்ம வந்து முன்னாடி தான் ஆட் பண்ணுவோம். 1 + 1 2ன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஓகேவாமா? நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? டென்ஸ், அது 1 இல்ல, டென்ஸ் பிளேஸ்ல இருந்து வரதுனால அதோட வேல்யூ 10. ஓகேவாமா? அதோட வேல்யூ 10. ஓகே, ஸோ 10 + 1, 10 ones plus 1 1 is equal to 11 1. Okay, so it is very simple method, means you just add 1 to the instant of the number. Okay, சிம்பிள் மெத்தட்னா நீ என்ன பண்ணணும்? 1 மட்டும் அந்த கொடுத்துருக்க நம்பர் கூட முன்னாடி ஆட் பண்ணிக்கோ. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன செய்யணும்? இருக்கிறதுல சின்ன நம்பர் 4. இப்போ 4 தானே கீழே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. 4ல இருந்து 11 வர உள்ள நம்பர்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணணும்? கவுண்ட் பண்ணி அதுல வர ஆன்சரை ரைட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவாமா? தென் சி நெக்ஸ்ட் 2 இருந்துச்சு. இதுல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன இருந்துச்சு? 2 அப்படிதானே? தென் 2 minus 5. 2ல இருந்து 5 சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ண முடியுமா? முடியாது. அதனால நம்ம திரும்ப 100ல இருந்து கடன் வாங்குறோம். இங்க இருந்து அந்த கடன் வாங்குறோம் 100ல இருந்து. ஓகேவாமா? இப்போ 100ல இருந்து கடன் வாங்கும்போது 4 இருக்கு. 100 பிளேஸ்ல எவ்வளவு 4 இருக்கு? சாரி, 100 பிளேஸ்ல என்ன வேல்யூ இருக்கு? 4 இருக்கு. ஓகே, இப்போ நம்ம கடன் வாங்கும்போது 4ல இருந்து 1 போயிடுச்சு. அப்போ 3. 4 minus 1 3. இப்போ இங்க 2 தான் இருக்கு. அப்படிதானே? 2 டென்ஸ் இருந்து இப்போ நம்ம 1 ஆட் பண்ணும்போது இது என்னாச்சு? 12 மாறிடுச்சு. எஸ் ஆர் நோ? 12 மாறிடுச்சு. இப்போ நம்ம இதுல இருந்து சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ண போறோம். 5 minus, சாரி, 12 minus 5. இதை நம்ம 5ல இருந்து ஆஃப்டர் நம்பர் சொல்லி 12 வரை கவுண்ட் பண்ணி ஆன்சர் ரைட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவாமா? தென் 3 இருக்கு. 300ல இருந்து 500 என்ன பண்ண முடியாது? சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ அதையும் நம்ம என்ன செய்யறோம்? பாரோ எடுக்கிறோம் ஃப்ரம் த thousands place. ஓகேவாமா? thousands பிளேஸ்ல 6. Now you cut means 6 minus 1 5. 6 minus 1 5. ஓகேவாமா? So you write here 5. Then you take borrowing means 3 இங்க இருந்துச்சா? நம்ம அதை என்ன பண்றோம்? 1 ஆட் பண்ணும்போது 3 என்ன ஆகும்? 13 மாறும். 3 என்ன ஆகும்? 13 மாறும். தென் இங்க 5ங்கும்போது நம்ம 10,000 பிளேஸ்ல இருந்து 1 பாரோ வாங்கிருக்கோம். ஸோ 5 வந்து என்ன மாறும்? 15 மாறும். ஓகேவாமா? Do you understand? Okay. first sum. Okay, 5-digit subtraction with regrouping. The first sum 46,842, 46,842, 3,358. Now you subtract these two numbers. First we have to mention the periods: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. Okay, Mama? Mine. Okay. First subtract the ones column. First we have to subtract the ones column. 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8. It is possible? No. So you take borrowing to the tens place. Okay, Mama? Now you cut here 12. Okay. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, 4 minus 1, 3. If you are adding 1 to the ones column means it will become 12. Okay, Mama? Now you say 12 minus 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 4. Okay. Now you subtract 3 minus 5. Now you subtract 3 minus 5. It is possible? No. So you take borrowing to the hundreds place. Okay, Mama? Cut and write here 7. 8 minus 1, 7. Okay, 1 you give to the tens column means it becomes 13. 13. Okay, now you say the numbers 5 to 13. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now the answer is 8. Now the answer is 8. Okay, Mama, then you subtract 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. It is possible. All of you take 7 fingers, then you cut 3. We will get 4. Okay, Mama. Now you subtract 6 minus 3. All of you take 6 fingers, then you subtract 3 means we will get 6 minus 3, 3. Then 4. Here no value means you just put 0. Okay. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Now the answer is 43,484. Now the answer is 43,484. Do you understand, children? Okay, the second one. The second one. 68,000. 68,573. 68,573. 29,530. Subtract. Okay, first we have to mention the period 1, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, Mama. Now you subtract 3 minus 0. The ones place. All of you see the ones column. First of all of you see the ones column. Subtract 3 minus 0. Subtract 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0, 3. Okay, Mama. Now you see here 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. All of you take 7 fingers. Then you got 3. You fold the finger 3. Okay. Then we will get 4. 7 minus 3, 4. Then you subtract 5 minus 5, the hundred place. Subtract the hundreds place. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5, the answer is 0. Then you subtract 8 minus 9. 8 is smaller than 9. Ma? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. 8 is the smallest number, but 9 is the greatest number. So you take borrowing from the 10,000 place. Okay, you take borrowing from the 10,000 place. 6 minus 1, 5. 6 minus 1, 5. This one you are adding here means it is 18. It is 18. Okay, Mama? Now you say 9 after. From 9 to 18 numbers. From 9 to 18 numbers. Okay, Mama? 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Now the answer is 9. Then you subtract 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. Now the answer is 39,043. 39,043. Now the answer is 39,043. 39,043. Now all of you take your maths class work note. All of you take your class work note. Take new page. Are you listening, children? Are you listening? Okay, all of you take your maths class work note. Take new page. Take new page. First of all of you should write today's day and date. First of all of you should write today's day and date. Then write 5-digit subtraction with regrouping. 5-digit subtraction with regrouping. This two sum you should write one page. Okay, Mama, all of you see the board. Write carefully. Okay, don't leave any mistake and write neatly. Okay, Mama, these two sums you should write one page. The first one 46,842 minus 3,358. We will get 43,484. Now the answer is 43,484. 14 minus 5, 8. And 7 minus 3, 4. 6 minus 3, 3. 4 minus 0, 0. Now the answer is 43,484. 43,484. Then see the second sum. 68,573. 68,573 minus 29,530. Now you subtract 3 minus 0, 3. 7 minus 3, 4. 5 minus 5, 0. 18 minus 9, 9. 5 minus 2, 3. Then we will get 39,043. Then we will get 39,043. All of you write neatly, see the board and write fast. Write neatly without any one mistake. I will check your note. Okay, children? I am waiting for you. See the board and write fast. All of you write fast, ma'am. I am waiting for you. All of you have it written? All of you have it written, children? I hope you have completed. Let's see the next one. All of you listen. Listen. Close your maths note. See the board. All of you listen. Close your maths note. And see the board. All of you close your maths note. See the board. Third one. Third one. Fifty-eight thousand 366. 58,366. 24,589. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. First we have to mention the periods 1, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, mama. First subtract the ones column. First all of you subtract the ones column. 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9. Is possible? No. Okay, so you take borrowing from the tens place. You take borrowing from the tens place. Okay, mama. Cut this one. 6 minus 1, 5. You write here 5. Okay, 6 minus 1, 5. Then you add 1 to the ones column. Okay, 6 becomes 16. Okay, mama, 6. We are regrouping means that is 16. Okay, now you say 9 to 16 numbers. Okay, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, 16. Now you have 7. Yes, the answer is, see the tens column. All of you listen, see the tens column. Subtract the tens column. 5 minus 8. It is possible? No. Okay, so you take borrowing from 100. Okay, 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. Then add 1 means you will get 15. Okay, now you say tens. Now you subtract the tens column 8 to 15. Okay, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The answer is 7. Okay. Then see the next one. Subtract the hundreds column. Then see the next one. Subtract the hundreds column. Then subtract the hundreds column. 2 minus 5. Is it possible? 2 minus 5? No. So you take borrowing from the thousands place. You take borrowing from the thousands place. 8 minus 1, 7. Then we are adding 1 means 12. Okay. Now say the numbers from 5 to 12. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The answer is 7. The answer is 7. Then see the next one. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. All of you take 7. Then you fold 4 fingers. We have to fold fingers. Okay. Then we will get 7 minus 4. 3. Then all of you take 5 minus 2. Subtract the 10,000s place. 5 minus 2. We get 3. Okay, Mama. Now the answer is, what is this answer? What is this number? 33,777. Now the answer is 33,777. Okay, Mama. The next one. Fourth sum. 56,431. 56,431. 27,554. Now you subtract this one. First we have to mention the periods. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. Okay, Mama. First you subtract the ones. 1 minus 4. Is it possible? No. So you take borrowing from the tens place. You cut and write here. This one 11. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, Mama. Now you subtract 7. 11 minus 7. Okay, 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4. Okay, now you subtract 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. The answer is 7. Okay, now you subtract the tens column. Now you subtract the tens column. 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5. Now see the tens column. 2 minus 5. It is impossible. So you take borrowing to the 100 place. Okay. You add 1 and 3 minus 1. Sorry, 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. Okay. Now we subtract this to 12 minus 5. Say the after number 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The answer is 7. Okay. Then see the next one. 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5. Can you subtract this one? No, we can't. Yes, we can't do this one. So you take borrowing from the thousands place. Okay, 6 minus 1, 5. You are taking borrowing means 3 become 13. 3 will become here 13. Okay, Mama. Now say 13 minus 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The answer is 8. Okay, so you write here 8. Then you subtract 5 minus 7. Is it possible? No. So you take borrowing. This one 4. This is 15. 5 minus 1, 4. 5 means we are giving what 10 ones, okay? How many ones? 10 ones, okay? 10 ones plus 5 ones is equal to 15 ones, okay, Mama? So you write here 15. 15 minus 7. 15 ல இருந்து 7 subtract பண்ண முடியுமா? முடியும், okay? 15 minus 7. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. The answer is 8. Then 4 minus 2, 2. Then 4 minus 2, 2. The answer is 28,877. The answer is 28,877. Now all of you take your Max Classic note. Open your Max Classic note. Take the next page. All of you take your Max Classic note. Take new page. Take next page and write third and fourth sum. You should write one page. Okay, Mama? See the board and write neatly. I'm waiting for you. Okay? Right. Left you have it written, Ma? Left you have it written. I hope you have completed. Now take all of you take your max book. All of you take your max book. Take book page number 26, exercise 2.4. Take book page number 26. Take book page number 26, exercise 2.4. All of you take your max book. Today's homework, book page number 26, exercise 2.4 is today's homework. All of you do your homework properly. Do it yourself. Okay, Mama? Don't copy it from others. Today homework. Book page number. Book page number 26. Exercise. Exercise 2.4. Okay, Mama? Book page number 26. Exercise. Exercise 2.4. Did you mark in your book, children? Book page number 26, exercise 2.4 is today homework. All of you do it your homework yourself. Don't copy it from others. I will check your homework. So write neatly. Do it properly. Okay, Mama? Next one we will see the next class. Take care, children. Bye.